For the pot making, we need 2 sheets of equal size. I have taken 23 centimeter horizontally and 18 centimeter vertically. You can take any size of sheet, but you should be 8 centimeter more than the other side. Now, first of all, you have to fold your sheet half. Then again you have to fold both sides, this side and back side. Like this. See? Then you have to make pleats on the paper like this. One time fold front side and one time fold back side. Press it properly. I had fold other sheet same like this. See, same like this. Now you have to open like this, slowly. And you get it this shape on your paper, both sides. See, both sheets you have to open. See, I have opened both sheets and see, same shapes both sides. Now next step, it's very important for this. See, now you have to hold this small part, okay, this small part, and pull it slightly. Both sides you have to pull it, this paper, and make it, and now you have to set this paper in slant way, okay. See, like this. There also. Both sides. In other sheet also. See, I just set my paper like this in a slant way. Then now you have to fold like this. See, and between the both side you have to make gap and do it like this, little bit, do it like this. See, and do it same, do same steps in other sheet. Both sheets, I have both sheets, and now you have to paste edge to edge, paste together like this. See, put the glue. And paste together. See, like this. and let it dry for 2-3 minutes. Now it is pasted properly. You have to press properly. See, after pasted, after this, next step, you have to open this part also, like this, slowly. You have to open both sides. After opening this part, you have to flip your paper. Now you have to paste this side also, edge to edge, like this. Like this. Now we have got it. See, we have got it the pot shape. First of all, we have to paste here. It is most important part for the pasting. Now again leave 2-3 minutes, let it dry. After this, see, you got this shape, pot shape. See, your pot is ready. See, the pot is ready. And the last step, you have to cut a circle according to your pot, and now you have to paste it bottom side like this. See, your beautiful pot is ready. Thank you.